Also, hit the bell button so you don't miss any videos. Hello everyone, it's Miwako. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing awesome. For some reason, I just wanted to dress up Lolita instead of Mori today, and I really like it. For today, I have a very kawaii haul. Today's video is sponsored by IBENTOY. IBENTOY is a company that sells a lot and a lot of cute stationery bags, everything that you can think of. Pens, they have a lot of pencil cases, they have a lot of them, and also like storage bags. They have so many designs. They also have a lot of different bags, like mini purses, like passport cover, mini wallets, mini bags, and they also have a lot of like tiny journals that look so cute, and also they have a lot of stickers too. Recently I noticed that they brought like customized Nintendo Switch cases. All the designs that they carry are very cute. They were very kind to make a coupon code just for my fans. I'm gonna be leaving it over here or on the description box. IBENTOY contacted me and asked me if I wanted to sponsor some of their stuff. They let me select the items, and I'm gonna tell you something. It took me around like 1 week just to decide what I was gonna review, because I really like everything. So after a whole week, I told them the items that I was willing to do the review, and they shipped the items. So yeah, we have it over here. I'm very excited. So let's just go ahead and check this bag out. The bag is this huge. I am so excited. I don't know if you can notice, but it has like lion tapes all over the package. It's so adorable. I've never seen a tape like this. Without any more waiting, let's just go ahead and open the bag. I should have brought the scissors. So excited! It's been such a long time since I have opened like a kawaii bag. Let's take a sneak peek of the items. I also forgot to say that I'm gonna be leaving all the links of all the items that I'm gonna show you on this video. So the first item that we have over here is boom! Oh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, I have never seen bubble wraps in shape of hearts. This is so cute. It says thank you, give you everyday sweetness, cherish the good times. I don't know what we have over here, but we are going to find that out. Look at the bubble wrap. Oh my gosh, so adorable. Let's take a look. The first item, keep saying first item is, oh, I think there are several. This is, I don't remember this. Are these extras or something? I'm confused. Okay, this is something that I did order. It's this very cute coin purse. I really like it. We have a very cute girl with peaches in a pastel dress. She has such a cute pink blush, and I really like the pearl that it has attached to the zipper. It's very cute. It's just a simple accessory, but it makes this look way more better. I really also like that on the back. We also have a different art. Oh, I thought that it was a coin purse, but I actually got a jewelry storage. You can attach many things over here. We have a zipper over here. We have this pouch over here. This is to put your rings. We have these straps to put your necklaces so they don't get all tangled and everything. In here you put your stud earrings. I really like that the inside was left in pink and the outside in blue. Everything really matches. That's very nice. I really love this. So the other items that I was sent are like stickers and patches. I actually don't have any patches, so this is quite nice. We got 2 patches of the Milk Joy girls. They are very cute. It says that you can attach them to anything that you want, like notepads, journals, 3DS, and laptop. I think they have like a sticker or something on the back. They don't have English instructions, but I think that's what it means, because how are you gonna attach something to the laptop? I love that I have my favorite colors, pink and purple, and the embroidery looks very nicely done. We also got beads charm. They're like jelly. It says soft pendants. We have like a orange, ugly orange is called. We have like a bunny or a cat. Puppy. Wow. I thought it was a cat. I actually never had a keychain that was soft. So I think these are gonna be like squishies, kind of charms for your bags and stuff. I like that they're not very heavy. So these are also very nice if you want to put them on your car keys. We also got 2 Ziploc bags of this cute bear. I really like this bear from this series, Bonjour Cake Bear. They have a lot of designs from this bear and I like them a lot. So they are made out of plastic. You can fit a whole like Subway cookie inside of this. I really like the look of this. It's quite strong. I also didn't notice that the front part has the decoration and the bag is solid, so you can put something inside of the bag and it can look so much cuter inside these tiny bags. I think this one is the same. The front has the bear and the back is pink. This can also look very nice with handmade crafts. This has a very nice presentation and they feel quite good actually. They are very thick. The next item we have is boom! We have the bear. Like I said, I love the bear. IBENTOY Kawaii store, and we have the logo over here. It says Milk Joy. They have this pencil case in 3 colors, black or beige. I just got the pink one because, you know, pink. I love pink. It's a very big pencil case if you notice. The reason why I got this pencil case is because it has a lot of storage. The material feels very soft and I really like the embroidery. It is made very nicely. It is smooth and all the stitches looks very nice. The zipper even has the Milk Joy name, which is so nice. You have it over here. Let's take this out. We have a very deep storage, like about 1.5 inches, and we also have storage for more pencils. What I really like about this pencil case compared to others pencil case is that I really have a lot of room to put stuff in here and to put pencils over here, and they will not really bother the other half, if that makes sense. I love it. I really like that the pink is very soft too. So the next item is, oh, it's more cuter than I thought. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. Oh wait. Oh, I really like the strap. Oh, that's so nice. So we have this very cute wings, like fluffy wings handbag. It is super soft. Like, I don't know what's this fabric, but it feels as soft as my cat. There were 2 of these bags, one as a backpack and this one as a shoulder bag. The backpack one was more bigger. This is so fluffy and so soft. It feels like a pillow. It says sweet on the back. Let's take a look on the inside. It has this mesh storage. Pretty sure it can fit a lot of things, and I really like the straps. They're actually made out of fabric. Usually shoulder bags are made out of metal or they are nylon. This one is made out of fabric, like cotton fabric. It feels very soft too. I really like the colors that they choose for this. It is white with pink straps, and this part over here, I don't know the name of it, is made out of plastic. This one over here too. The zipper is pink and I really like that because it really matches with the bag. I can put it in my room just like that and it will just look so adorable. I really wonder the name of this fabric because it feels like wool or something like that. It's just too extremely soft. Now let's see. Cannot find it. Wait. There's some stuff stuck in here. Oh yay! This next item is actually a mouse for my laptop because I don't know if you guys remember when I got my Mini So mouse. Well, I've been having a lot of issue with that and I really wanna throw it in the trash because it's terrible. It's terrible. So anyways, they had cute mouse and I decided to get one because I really need it. And I think they have Sailor Moon, and they also have like the Overwatch one, the bunny one. I don't play Overwatch, but I like bunnies and I like pastels, so I got the bunny one. So it's no other than this one over here. There were like 3 different colors for this mouse. It's so much better than in the pictures. It looks so much better. I wish this was like in clear or white color because I really don't like black on my desk, but the mouse is so cool. It looks like very mecha and stuff. Yeah, I really like it. It looks so nice. And the wheel feels very nice. It is made out of plastic and like silicones. The wheel has silicone. I actually don't have any mouse that have silicone. All of them are just pure plastic. And it has 2 buttons on the sides. They sound nice. And this also turns on in colors. I don't know how many colors, I don't remember. I'm gonna show you a video with the mouse turned on so you can see. It has a really matte finish and soft finish. Honestly, I'm very happy. I thought that the sides were purple, but they're like they're a blue color, kinda going more into the purple. If that makes any sense. I don't know the name of this blue color, but yeah. And the pink is light pink, turning a little bit into the purple, but not so much. It's still pastel pink. I think it looks exactly like the video. It looks really cool. This is a very big object, and it actually matches a lot with my share, with my video game share. Who would have thought? Next item is, ta-da! I actually have this t-shirt in pink. They also have few clothing pieces I forgot to mention. It's so cute. This is a one size t-shirt. I fit pretty well. I have this in pink, but I also like the blue one, so I'm very happy that they had it in blue because it still looks so cute. You see a bunny cheerleader? It's so adorable. The fabric feels very soft. The fabric is a little bit stretchy. It's very breathable. I really like the bunny. And the blue is also very nice. It is pastel. It is not exactly like super light pastel, but it's still considered pastel. Super adorable. I think we have 2 more items. Boom! This is a bag that I wanted to get. It is a cupcake. This is so cute. This is so pastel. It's fluffy. This is a bunny cupcake. Super adorable. It even has the ears, like fluffy ears. It has hearts and stars as sprinkles. Very cute. The bottom feels like fleece or felt. Take a look at the inside. We have the straps. This is how much you can fit. I think you can fit a lot of things. The straps are made out of like fake pearls. I really like that because it looks more cuter. The straps is way more longer than I expected. It's so cute. I feel like this is going to look very nice with a Lolita outfit, like a sweet Lolita outfit. So adorable. Oh my gosh. It looks so cute with the pearls. Really like it. It's so cute. Now I have 2 bags for my lookbooks, which is awesome. So nice. We got a pen. I got this cute cat pen because why not? It also comes with the refill. So the pen came with a refill. So that's pretty nice because I already tested. It has ink. It has a black ink. So that's pretty nice. I have a refill. So this is a squishy cat paw pen. This is so nice. This is gonna be so useful for when I'm working and I have so much stress that I wanna squish the cat paw. It's so cute. They had different like colors, like radiation colors, and I thought that pink, white and blue looked the best. It has a lot of squishy. You can grab the whole thing except for the tip, of course, and squish it. It feels very nice. I don't remember the last time that I touched a squishy. I really like when you're grabbing the paw because it looks like the cat is like grabbing you. Super cute. And I think this is, no, this is not the last item yet. Oh yeah! This is another pencil case. This is a bunny pencil case. I think I got a lot of bunny stuff. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. I will say that this is more like a makeup bag because it has this type of fabric that makes it more easier to clean, if that makes sense. It is so cute. It's so pastel. It has this film in the front, like pink film. It says lovely. And the bunnies look so adorable. I really like it. This is more like a very light cream or something. The outside is made out of like PVC or something, or vinyl, because it feels something like that. And the inside has a more rough texture. I don't know the name of it, but it feels like umbrella. I think this works more like a makeup bag, like I said, because it's more easier to clean. You can actually fit a lot of stuff over here. I don't wear a lot of makeup, so I can really fit everything that I normally use just here. It even has a mini pocket over here if you wanna separate your stuff, which is pretty nice. And it closes very nicely too. I really love the design of this bunny. I just love it so much. They had this in a longer version, I think, but I really like square shape, so yeah, that's why I got this one. Now I think this is the last item. Oh my gosh, this is way more bigger than I anticipated. Yep. This is the last item. It's no older than a bear handbag. I think this is the only thing that it's not pastel. I decided to get this because I thought that it would look cute with muddy stuff. I don't know. It's so fluffy. I thought that it was a darker brown, but this is actually okay. This is like a, actually I don't know what's the color of this, but this is like sand color. It's way bigger. As you can see over here, we have the tag over here, so adorable, again from Milk Joy. We have a bear eating a cracker. They have a lot of cute cases with this character, so adorable. We have the bear's ear over here. This is so soft. This is like wool fabric, super soft. Again, we have the Milk Joy tag on the zipper. Oh, the inside is pink. That's so nice. The inside is pink. I love that contrast, like pink and brown. I love it. I can fit so many things, which is pretty nice. Just a regular handbag. I just thought that it was pretty cute, and again, I love doing like kawaii outfits, moody girl outfits with just a touch of cuteness. So I thought that this was gonna look pretty cute with some moody stuff. So yeah, that's why I got it. I really like it. Again, it's very soft. Gotta watch out for my cat. And this is how it looks on the back. Whew. So guys, this is everything that we got from IBENTOY. Again, IBENTOY, thank you very much for wanting to collab with me. It really means a lot. Everything is so cute. Just like I mentioned, guys, all of this is available on IBENTOY website. I'm gonna be linking everything in the description box. Don't forget to also use my code if you wanna save some money. Also, what was your favorite item of this haul? Let me know in a comment below. Thank you again for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.